Alright guys, Risky Trader here. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys the top 3 settings for Thinkorswim. This is for day trading specifically. So first thing first, let me get Thinkorswim up here. You guys are going to go right here to settings. You're going to have this memory usage at 32. And right here, you guys are going to put it to 6144. This is just like how much memory is using, so you don't want to have put too much. This right here is the good one. You click save there and just wait for it to pop up again. Alright guys, now that you're logged in, we're going to go ahead and move on to the second setup here. The second setup here, you go to setup, application settings. You're going to stay on the general tab here, and you're going to go ahead and go down here to system. And what we're looking at here is the quote speed. Usually I think they have it at like fast, which is like 1 second delay, or it might even be moderate. I'm not really fully sure where the default setting is, but you want to have it at no delay at all, real time. So that's, you go ahead and put real time there, and you hit apply settings. You go back to setup, go to application settings again, and this time go to the active trader tab. This will be up here somewhere. You want to put it a 0. This is for if you use active trader. So let me get active trader out here. This is active trader. Sometimes you will put to buy an order, and if you push it more than once, it'll give you like a little message here to like go over your order, and that's not what you want. What you want is being able to push this button as many times as you like, and for the orders to go through for as long as you want them to go through. Here's auto send. If you do want to see how much it's going to cost you, now you can click on it here, and then the order confirmation dialog box pops up right here, and then you will have to click send right here. If you want to avoid that, then you click auto send on. That's another little trick there if you guys want to use active trader. And that's about it, guys. Those are the 3 settings that will really help you day trade a lot better. I will be talking to Thinkorswim representatives on Friday. They're going to be showing me a lot more things of the platform that I don't, or that I don't know or may not know. And if I find out anything interesting, I will go ahead and post another video for you guys. But I just wanted to post this one real fast. Now, before you guys do click off of this video, I would like you guys to do me a favor. If you don't want to like the video, that's fine. If you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. But let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys would like to see when it comes to the Thinkorswim platform, when it comes to trading. That'll be really helpful for me. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. See you guys on the next video.